Hello, my name is Florent Garaudet. I'm the wine grower in Florent Garaudet Wine Estates. Today you are in Monthélie. Monthélie is the small appellation of Côte of Beaune in Burgundy, in France. And we were between Volnay to Meursault, okay? Monthélie is 160 hectares and you have only 10% of these areas in white. We were lucky because we can produce the twice color, red and white, okay? Only Chardonnay and only Pinot Noir. Monthélie was in a little bit mountain and we have 90% of slope around and we have a very poor soil, so we can make a very good wine with good density. The Monthélie character is like Volnay style or Pommard style. It depends if you can choose some first cru, like for example Monthélie first cru Les Champfuyaux is very Volnay style, elegant, and you have some duress on Riot. This is the first cru is like Pommard with touch of cherry, spicy and pepper.